Welcome to video 66 in series 3, and in this video I'm going to write the item animator script. Now all the script is going to do is just to enable or disable the animator if you have one on your item when you pick up or throw the game object. So that applies to like guns and the bazooka as well, but a lot of game objects, a lot of items you make probably won't have any animation on them, but that's all its purpose is. It's just to enable or disable. And there's a good reason why you'd want to disable the animator. So for example, if your gun has an animator on it that allows you to have reload animation firing or just idle, well, you have to disable the animator if you want it to be a physics object. Otherwise the animator pretty much like overrides the normal physics behavior. Because that's what's playing. I mean, you can still throw it around and stuff, but it won't roll over or toss about like you would expect. It would just be a funny looking thing that's trying to animate on the spot that sort of just moves in an unnatural way. Anyway, you try it out when we get to guns and stuff and you'll understand. Alright, so private item master, and then public animator, my animator. No start and update, and I'll just have two more methods here: void enable my animator and void disable my animator. Okay, set initial references is very simple as usual. Of course, call that in on enable, set initial references, and also while I'm at it, I'll say item master dot event object throw plus equal. So when I throw the object, I want the animator to be disabled. So disable my animator. Okay. Unsubscribe. This time event object pickup. And this time enable my animator. Okay, and then in enable my animator, if my animator not equal to null, then my animator dot enable is equal to true. Okay, I'll just copy that there. And this one is false. Okay, that's it. So this script, unless you had an object that is animating, you can't test it just yet. We'll be able to test it later on, quite a long while later on, when we're actually in a chapter where we've made items that have animations. So that's it. So just make sure that you've set it up properly so that when you throw the object, you disable the animator. When you pick up the object, you enable the animator. Okay, so let's go and assign that script. And just check that it doesn't throw up any errors, at least when we play the game. So it won't do anything. Hit play, jump in, okay. Yep, so all good. Okay, so thanks for watching, and move on to the next video.